What?
He feels like his hair. He feels like his hair. You.
Get our blizzards. I haven't did a vlog in a while. So I got my new necklace though.
We're gonna meet. Stevie's gonna meet Gary here soon.
Yeah. He's someone awesome in the family.
He used to be one of our neighbors.
Yeah. We might move up here in St. Matthews, but that's pretty hard to find a place for cheap. It's like 1,000 and whatever number it is.
Yeah, you might need help.
We're gonna need help. We're gonna need a low income or income based house place. So yeah. I had to re-stretch my ears. It's to the smallest size. I had them off. I took them off. I didn't shave yet. Anyways. See y'all later. This is pretty good. Yum. I think it's cookie dough in there. Yum. Hey, hi.
Say hi.
Say hi.
Say hi, buddy.
Say happen.
Say happen.
St.
Say
Matthews.
hoppin'. I'm hopping.
You're hopping.
I'm hopping.
That's what it look like up there.
Trying to play.
Daddy's playing a game.
Trying to earn money.
Trying to earn money. Mm-hmm. Trying to do more vlogs. It's been so hot out.